There are other ways to create mockups in Canva. Instead of using the mockup creation tool they have, go to the editor and look at the elements. Type mockup in the search bar. It will show a few options. Find the right image for you. You can use any image of a product as long as it's flat and facing forward to upload a design on it, and make it a mockup of a product. For this example, let's find a tote bag. It's a flat bag that you can add a design to and sell on Printify or Printful. This is actually a very common product on any platform that sells print-on-demand designs. After you find something, you can just drop the design on it. Make sure the color of the bag's background is the same as the one on the platform you're using to sell your product. Sometimes it's not just plain white, and you can find different colors in Canva elements. You can't change the color of the product unless the image allows you to do so, or you can trick Canva with some apps. Then upload your design as an image with transparent background and place it in the right position on the tote bag. Since this is a mockup, it's a good idea to set the transparency to 85 to 90% so the design blends better. Watch this video to see how to use the Canva Mockup app tool to create different mockups that look professional. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.